Good morning from Cupertino. Look what I have over here. You know what this means, right? This means that we're heading to the Apple event. Literally in about 15 minutes, we're heading to the spaceship to see iPhone 15, Apple Watch Ultra 2, and whatever Apple will surprise us today. I'm excited. I'm a little bit nervous. As always, I always get a little bit nervous. Look who I have over here. He's eating breakfast right now, but...
That's pretty good.
How excited are you?
I'm actually very excited about this one.
Yeah?
I really want to see some like rounded corners, a phone that's easy to hold, one that has like, I don't think it's going to change much visually. USB-C.
But we can't say that out loud, right?
Yeah.
Okay, hi, I'm so here he is again.
Vamos para arriba, ¿no?
All right, we're at the bus right now, and fun fact, obviously the pros know this, but if you actually sit on the right side of the bus, you can see there's not that many people on the other side, because on the left side you actually have the view of the Apple campus, so you can take all the photos and stuff, so something interesting.
Hey, welcome to Apple Park!
Good morning!
Good morning! Oh, happy birthday! Good morning! Hello!
Alright, so you can probably tell we're entering Apple Park right now. Hey!
What's up?
You got a subscriber here.
We're over here at Apple Park. Let's
What's
get
your
it.
name?
Johnny.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, my man. You have a good one, all
I
right?
see it's hard to explain, but like walking through Apple Park feels, it just feels so different. And there it is, guys. Guys. There is Steve Jobs Theater, and right there is actually the spaceship. Oh man, it feels so freaking special to be here again. Hey, there's actually quite a lot of people in this event again. Do you get annoyed by so many fans here? Or?
No, it's great!
So, guys, Justine is giving me a cable. This is amazing.
Okay, what's your favorite Apple product?
Apple Watch for sure.
Love that. You know what? Wonder what it could be.
Right?
Let's see here.
Awesome.
Oh my goodness.
There it is. Now you can just hide them over there. Nobody will know.
That's great cut.
It's cool.
Awesome.
How's it working? Good?
Yeah?
Congrats. Look who I have over here. The myth and the legend. Oh my gosh. I'm excited for today. I just congratulated him for something that I don't know what's going to be announced, but I'm sure it's going to be amazing.
I hope you love it. Let me know.
Hey, you've got a red one.
Yeah?
Oh,
You
wow.
know, I don't
That's a
know.
good one.
Must make me special.
All right, let me walk you inside of Steve Jobs Theater inside. So many awesome people in here. Oh my gosh, guys. Just meeting Jaws and everybody. It's absolutely insane. I'm in shock with everything. As always, there's always drinks. There's always food. Okay, we're going down Steve Jobs Theater. It's time. It's time.
Good morning. I love that. Good morning.
Let's go. I want to have
Hi, how you doing?
Welcome, you guys.
Here we go. We're seconds away from seeing Tim and the new iPhone. Sitting down now and finding my seat. Okay, I've officially sat down in my seat. I'm ready. I'm totally ready for the event. The press is ready. The world is ready for the iPhone 15. The seats are actually quite comfy. I could sleep here. You know, we haven't slept a lot because of jet lag, so I could totally sleep here. All right, yo, it's crazy to see Tim Cook. He's right there. Watch time. It's our time. Titanium coming to iPhone 15 Pro. That looks good. Tim Cook. Craziness begin. That is really the hands-on area. I'm sure getting our hands on an iPhone and on a watch won't be easy. Hey, we're gonna try. Just check this out. This is reality of Steve Jobs Theater after a presentation. Let's see it. Like what I have over here, these are the new iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus. It's so crazy that USB-C is here on the iPhone. It feels weird. I mean, I'm happy as well. Here's the dynamic island that's now not exclusive to the Pro models as well. This iPhone feels really good. This new textured matte back, it feels really, really good. The iPhone 15 Pro is now really lightweight, but this is also really lightweight. Since I use the Pro, you know, it feels really lightweight. This pink, man, it looks so good. Review the iPhone 15 in one word. Oh God, you put me on the spot. 2 hours later.
6 hours later.
No smudgy fingerprint rails.
You know, that's a good one.
That's not one word, but
I'll take it.
Okay.
I'll take it. These right here are the new colors for the iPhone 15 Pro. They look stunning. There's two of them that are really, really similar. This one looks pretty similar to that one. This one has like the raw titanium color. I think this one's probably my favorite. The midnight blue also looks stunning, and the standard black. So those are the 4 colors. Hey, and as you know, Apple has discontinued leather products forever, including the Apple Watch bands and the iPhone cases. And they replaced it with a material called fine woven. It's very soft. I'm a little bit worried that it might get a little bit too dirty, but hey, it looks awesome, and I'm so happy that Apple has discontinued leather products forever. And Apple actually discontinued the modern buckle last year, and hey, it's back, which is an absolute beautiful design. All right, and that's a wrap with the hands-on area. I'm sorry if I didn't show it enough in the vlogs, but I made dedicated videos on every single one of the products. It's hectic. It's quite hectic down there. And up here, there's a bunch more people working as well. It's quite typical here that you see people working on the floors. People just want to crank out those articles or these videos as fast as possible. All right, so we're gonna go to eat now. I need water, I need food, and I need energy because we're gonna be editing all the reels, all the TikToks, all the tweets, and all, of course, the actual YouTube videos about it. Let me give you a little bit my quick thoughts on the event itself and a little bit about the product itself. For me, the event was great. Definitely not the best event of all time of the iPhone. I think the features for the iPhone 15 Pro are great. I think the action button is great, really, really useful, especially for you being able to program it with Siri shortcuts. I think it's great. USB-C on the iPhone, finally, I feel like Apple has checked out a lot of things that I definitely wanted to come. And then the standard iPhone 15, for me, having the dynamic island is already enough. Plus they added USB-C, so that's great. And by far for me, the best feature about it is something that a lot of people are not making a big deal out of it, and it's the double tap with the watch, right? For me, the Apple Watch is my favorite Apple device of all time, and I hate the fact that you can't use it with one hand, right? Doesn't matter if it's winter or if you've got your greasy hands or if you're cooking, whatever, right? You can't use your watch with one hand. Okay, it's time to eat. Let me show you everything you can get. Ooh, this looks good. We've got empanadas, braised chicken, sesame noodles. We've got salad. We've got a burrito, desserts. All right, getting an apple coffee right now. Barrita?
Barrita energética, tío.
Like a real nigga. I uploaded my iPhone 15 Pro first hands-on video, and then I've got so much reels and TikToks and everything going on. So yeah, we're late. Coffee time, and let's head out.
With a kiss on my lips, like I am not a pimp with a limp. I'm a man with a gift, and I'm doing my shit like.
Hey, fun fact: this is actually my first time inside of the spaceship.
Motherfucker, I've been mortified, 45, feeling like a Mordecai. I ain't regular, feel like Jordan wearing 45. Traumatized, victimized,
Okay, we're
seen some
ready.
of
Pedro, are you ready?
Yeah.
Angel?
genocide, televised, emphasize, perpetuating war to that nigga, he gon' pick a side. Hood ties from hood lines, now niggas doing dope lines. Don't run into the cops, that's a big exercise. Don't run into the cops, that's the motto. I don't see it coming to an end like legato. Get chipped like staccato, send a wave through the hood, now it's sounding like vibrato. Why you eat bread with avocado? We be trying to die shells before it landing out
Okay,
tomorrow.
podcast is done. No me veréis hablando español mucho por aquí, pero hay que promocionar el podcast. ¿Dónde?
Binarios de Ángel Jiménez.
Links en la descripción.
Y por supuesto las charlas de Apple Esfera, pues en vuestro reproductor favorito.
Así que ya sabéis, si me queréis escuchar hablando castellano, no pasa mucho. Ahí está, links en la descripción. You know why the Apple Park is called Apple Park? Because it truly feels like a park, like no matter where you walk, especially because of all the glass everywhere. But anywhere you walk, it really truly feels like you're just walking and you have the park of your city. Here's a fun fact that Pedro just said. There's 3 flags, right? As soon as you come inside of Apple campus, there's the American flag, California flag, and the third one actually changes in every single event. So right now it's the Wanderlust event, and then in the next one they will change it. So.
Golden things.
I want to go to bed, but there's still more videos to be edited. And yeah. Whoever said the life of a tech content creator was easy, well, let me tell you, you're wrong.